am getting ready to make my lunch, my alkaline lunch. I start by stir frying the mushrooms. Once the water from the mushrooms is drained, then I put my grapeseed oil just for a stir fry. I can put maybe 3 tablespoons. As this cooks, I'm getting ready to cut my pepper, and I've already cut the cabbages. Now I'm going to cut the onions. I've added onions and the yellow pepper. Later, I'm going to add the cayenne pepper. I don't like adding it while I'm stir frying like this because it tends to make me sneeze a lot when I add it like this. So I'm making my alkaline dish. Alkaline diet has so many benefits. If you want more recipes, check the link. My book is on Amazon. Take a look at it and get yourself a copy. I'm now adding my cabbages to my stir fry. I usually prefer to mix the yellow pepper and the red pepper, but I've run out of red pepper, so today it's just gonna be the yellow one. So an alkaline diet is very nutritional. Like the mushrooms, you can get a lot of iron. I am going to put in the comments, in the description, some of the health benefits. And an alkaline diet is an antioxidant diet. I am going to make my my delicious alkaline sauce. So first I have got chickpeas, and I'm going to add cayenne pepper. I'm making my own alkaline sauce, and then I'm adding turmeric, okay. So turmeric is one ingredient every household should have. It's anti-inflammatory. Okay, and then I am going to add Kangen water. I love this water. One day I'm gonna come and talk more about this magic machine that produces Kangen water. So why do I love Kangen water to mix in here? It makes the soup taste better. I've tried it with tap water. The taste is different. Kangen water really changes the flavor of the food. So I am going to blend it. Time. It tastes better. I'm going to add a little bit of the mushrooms that I've stir fried already. So I want my sauce to have that flavor, the delicious flavor. And you know what? Mushrooms is the best ingredient you can add in your soups, in your sauces if you want. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it again. Oh, my stir fry is done. Oh man, I can't wait to eat this. So I have a choice to eat it like this or pour in my sauce. So what I do, I like to make it half so that the other half I eat it as it is, and then the other half I'll do I'll add the stew, the sauce. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm putting some in my lunchbox. All right, so the other half I am going to put in my sauce. Oh, this is an antioxidant sauce. I'm telling you, your gut will love you. Your gut will love you. Okay, this sauce, give it a try and come back and put in the comments how you liked it. So eating healthy does not have to be expensive. Oh, okay, so I'm excited. I'll let it simmer maybe for 3 minutes so that it mixes up, and the rest of this I'm gonna put it away for later. Okay, my food is all ready. Now I get to eat it. So this is wild rice. Okay, so this is the wild rice. Okay, heading to the sauce and the stir fry. Oh my God, I'm telling you, it tastes good as it looks. Okay, I'm ready to dish myself and have my brunch. Okay. Oh, can't wait to go eat. So it's all ready. Okay, I think I need to put a little bit more. All right, now I need to start feasting. Let the feast begin. Yay! It is good. You should try this. We should try this. Anyways, for more recipes, check out my book on Amazon, From Pain to Victory.